Baro, but you can also buy P. Shakanikato, Junk Destination, Meghalaya. Hakanika Kanti Governmenta, Yin Omya Lit Kai, Lani, Yalam Yapish, Kiniki Jaka, Jokai Purke, Henry Kirpang in Yalam Yapish, Kiniki Jaka, Kiba D, Kib Bam, Kiba Bang, Kiba Tiang, Kiba Shniam. But Ninya, Shakiniki Jaka Bam. Kibadron hapo upo usam jongka so Shillong. Tuinis dang banlet jungo ya kanika jaka kabadi kijingbam kiba kijingbam Korea kijingbam kiba na Japan but kijingbam kiba na po Thailand.
Welcome to Twist of Taste, the cozy cafe where passion for food meets authentic flavors. Owned by the lovely couple, Sarah and Benjamin, Twist of Taste brings you a delicious fusion of Korean and Japanese cuisine, carefully crafted to satisfy your cravings. Indulge in their handmade specialties like the mouth-watering Japanese ramen and the spicy savory Korean tteokbokki, both made with love, from scratch and bursting with flavor. Whether you're in the mood for a warm bowl of ramen or craving something spicy and savory, we've got you covered. Twist of Taste is opened every day from 11 to 7 p.m. except on Sundays. And they're located on the 3rd floor of Anderson Orchid Lightning Club. Come on over and let Sarah and Benjamin share their twist on traditional flavors with you. Twist of Taste, where every bite tells a story.
I really can't wait to try all of these, but how do I use a chopstick? Sarah, can you guide me?
Sure. So, I'm not the best chopstick user, but then take your middle finger, put it here on the second, as so, and then your index finger on top, and your thumb. Like squeeze this too.
Okay.
So.
Oh, this will take me years. This will take me years. Okay, how do you do it?
Okay.
Guide me, please.
So you take it and then you dip here.
Okay.
Like so.
All right. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, Sarah.
Welcome.
Thank you, Sarah, because I really don't know how to use the chopsticks. So let me just use a fork. Let me try this and. This is so delicious. I love it. The taste is so good. The meat is really cooked, tenderly. Love it.
Next up, we're heading to Solar Cafe, where the rich, spicy, and aromatic flavors of Japanese Korean take center stage. Let's dive in. Solar Cafe kadana langkerding, kajaka bam kabapila apniyo kijing bam Korean, kijing bam Japanese, miso udon, mok tup bat kiwe. Kajaka bam kaba itanat bat sngow tanat shisha, hakabapila apniyo nangne ya kasor Shillong. Kadon ru ye ki kamra ki bapila ban sa pengat, yala di habapila thaj pila jerem. Let ben mat ki bam ki papang Solar Cafe hakanu ka por hapadeng shi baje hadu pra baje min met man kasngi.
Wow, kajing ibang kata ka bam. Tu batay kan yang aki ikini?
Ani ngidan u Vietnamese pho.
Okay.
Dia, how ni Vietnamese pho ngiyot dan langbat ini.
Bam lambat kani.
Hoi,
Ta.
fish oil.
Kani rika? Fish oil.
Hoi.
Oh, okay ta.
Hang pat udah iu mutuk.
Ta. Kani kani.
Ngai langbat u mumu. Udan langbat u noodles su kopok.
Ha. Okay.
Hang pat ngi muni mutuk. Ngai langbat kani ka sauce momo.
Sauce momo. Okay.
Hang pat new di Japanese noodles. Miso udon.
Jangan bang okay ta.
Pat u you ni miso udon ngi bam langbat kani ka.
Bam lambat.
Kani ka sauce ngai langbat kani ka namprik sauce.
Wow, this is so good. The veggies are super fresh. The egg adds richness, just the right amount of heat. It's got everything you want in one bowl.
Tu you ni filapan patayang kani kani ka. Ke
Kani?
Hoi.
Okay, kani ka Vietnamese pho. Ma, spelling is PHO.
PHO.
Tamai ki
Pho.
yang pho,
Pho.
not pho kan? So basically kani ka bowl pingi ai like the beef broth, ma, and then rice noodle,
Hoi.
and then kani ka dog masi, and then I can mint leaf, there, dafi bam yang kani badai, mostly haset ni adi ni sauce, ni fish sauce, pita ada kani pun sebab kan. So this is Vietnamese with the rice noodle, and this one is Japanese bowl. Hane pat ni ai udon noodles.
Uni udah udon.
Udon noodles. Sorry. Sekarang ini kata miso udon. So miso is from the soup. It's mishna ada kena yang soup yang broth hi chicken broth ni alang kena miso paste.
Okay.
It's a fermented soybean, the Japanese fermented soybean, right? Miso.
Miso.
Dia hane ngi ai udon noodles, nanti ngi ai shiitake, shiitake mushroom, the Japanese. So I know tempura prawns.
Uni mo?
Tempura prawns.
Okay.
Tagi seaweed. And then kado, kadwa fikwa, kadwa pork, kadwa chicken.
Pi yang ada kedok ayum tak kasi
Chicken.
ni kedai ke chicken. Okay. Ta. Kedok siar.
Siar, yes.
Tiu ben bam lang
Udah
pede.
pat namprik sauce.
Kumnu kisna ya kani?
Kani isna like kat kalau ke chili paste tamanya ain lang buat shrimp.
Oh.
It has a shrimp flavor kan.
Oh. Ta. Nang tangi dan sa kani kowe. Kani pede kedai ka?
Kani ni mutuk.
Mutuk.
Kani pat kalau ba pio kanurul su ma
Ha.
but momo. Hajing syar cuba dari tang noodle sudah. Without the momo is tukpa.
Tupa. Oh.
So
Dala ai pede semumu kala mutuk.
mutuk. So basically this bowl pada anam ang ba kalong kadai kijong Tibet na ki Nepali na ki nang Bhutan na makatama kadai kabol kilong inspired na ki kumi inspired yu ramen yu ai kumi inspired ni ki ai te kini pat yo na ki ga lagi ki dan ki Nepali ki dan la kajong version Tibetan ki dan la kajong version ta kini ki Bhutanese su ki dan la kajong version kumta kan te kumhane jongi pat kalong no inspired ba kumno bigi set maki kumno ki prepare maki ngisna our version kan
Oh, temu kini kelalong Shillong version.
Shillong version naman
Ta. The bam yo ni hapan bam lang
pat
pat.
dengan sauce
Okay.
hajing sisa ngisna ada chili oil
Hot.
hanya pagi ada ka sauce momo the garlic sauce where it goes along with the momo and all that
Ta, ku boleh sebut ya ba, tingin ya bam no ikini ke jeng bamo, ku boleh sebut ni kapor ke jok pi kini ke bam ba pila bo khamat jeng ni
Yes.
begini ya enjoy mo. Ta, ku boleh sebut ba.
Hotpot Cafe located in Rinja near the Norum Hills petrol pump serve amazing Asian dishes. But let me tell you, the Japanese sushi is my personal favorite. Fresh, flavorful and simply delicious. It's the perfect treat for any sushi lover. Not only is the food incredible, but the ambience, Wow, it's beautiful, a perfect spot to relax, unwind, and enjoy some fantastic flavors with great vibes. Hot pot is open every day from 11 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. So whether you're craving lunch, dinner, or just a snack, they got you covered. And don't worry about parking, it's available so you can park and dive straight into the delicious meal.
Excuse me,
Perfect
ma'am.
spot to relax,
Hot pot mix this one.
unwind,
Hot
and
pot
enjoy
mix.
some fantastic flavors
mix.
with
Oh,
great vibes.
hot pot mix.
Hot pot is open
Wow.
every day from 11
This looks
a.m.
so
to
good.
9:30 p.m.
This looks so
whether you're
delicious.
craving lunch,
And this
dinner,
is
or
the
just a
Korean
snack,
hot pot.
they got you covered. And
this
don't
one,
worry
Korean
about
chicken
parking,
wings.
it's available
Alright, thank
so you can
you.
park and
Lovely,
dive straight
thanks.
into the delicious meal.
Excuse me, ma'am. This one Korean chili potato.
Korean chili potato.
And this one
Yum.
Korean chicken wings.
And this is the Korean chicken wings.
Ma'am, chicken pad thai noodles.
Okay, pad thai noodles.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
From comforting bowls of bibimbap to plates of Japanese noodles, these Asian cuisine is filled with flavors that will take your taste buds on an unforgettable journey. But it's not just the food that makes these cafes special, they're also part of a larger tourism story in our state. So come along with me as we explore some of the best spots to savor Asian flavors and see what makes this state so wonderful to visit.
So these dishes highlight the rich flavor of Korea, Japan, and Thailand.
A unique cafe owned and run by Dhiraj Suba, where authentic Korean and Japanese flavors come to life. At Lakwam, you'll experience a delightful fusion of both cultures, serving dishes that will transport your taste buds straight to Korea and Japan. Whether you're in the mood for Korean comfort food or Japanese classics, Lakwam has something special for you. You can feel like you're in Korea while enjoying your meal. So step into Lakwam Cafe and experience the tradition with their beautiful handbags, the traditional Korean dresses available for you to wear and capture some unforgettable memories. They open every day from 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. except on Mondays and conveniently located in Rinja near ITI. So come on over, experience authentic flavors and immerse yourself in the Korean vibe at Lakwam, where food,
This is our
culture and
bibimbap.
fun come together.
Okay.
Our chol momo, your strawberry matcha latte, and your mojito.
Okay, this looks so good, and yes, we'll dive into these. What is this again? I don't remember. Could you please tell me again? What are
Sure.
these?
This
Which
is
one
a
is
karaage.
Japanese? Which one is Korean?
This is our Tibetan chol momo.
Tibetan?
Yeah. Our Korean bibimbap and our Japanese karaage fried chicken.
Okay.
Check this out. Look at this print. This is what I'm talking about. We've got a little bit of everything here. Just look at all these vibrant colors.
Alright, so what you see here is strawberry matcha drink. So matcha basically is like Japanese green tea. It's been finely grounded, and then it has a very umami, grassy flavor. So at the base we have strawberry puree. So how you're supposed to drink this is like stirred with a stir, and then like yeah.
Right.
Yeah. So it has a very grassy umami flavor to it.
Let me try this.
Yeah, sure.
This is so good. All right. Now tell me, what is this?
This is a classic mojito.
Oh,
I think
okay.
we all know what mojito is. So yeah, this is one of our, again, the best sellers that you see here. Yeah, moving on to the next. This is bibimbap. So it's basically a rice bowl consisting of an assortment of meat, fried meat, zucchini, carrot, mushroom, bell pepper, and spinach. I mean, there are a lot of eateries here in Shillong selling bibimbap, but what makes ours stand out from the rest is we have an in-house sauce which you'll find underneath the egg. So how you're supposed to eat the bibimbap is you're supposed to mix the whole thing.
Oh,
it's,
so this
yeah,
this is the sauce.
Yeah, that's our in-house sauce.
Okay.
It's been prepared here, so it's the sauce that just brings everything together. What you see here is jhol momo. So it's a Tibetan dish, Tibetan Nepali dish. So jhol in Nepali translates to a thick broth. So yeah, it's been made with about 4 to 5 spices, tomatoes, onions. So yeah, and then these are like tender steamed dumplings in a thick broth.
And here is our last dish.
This again is one of our best sellers. It's karage. So it's basically Japanese fried
Karage.
chicken. Yes, karage.
Karage.
Yeah. So it's Japanese fried chicken. How it's different from the rest of the fried chicken is in the marination process, how we marinate it. So that's how it stands out.
We
And
dip
yeah, it's a
this?
chili. Yes,
Okay.
you dip it in the chili oil. And then,
This is so delicious. So good.
We've already had a blast at the last cafe, but guess what? We're not done yet. Next, we're heading to Cottage Cafe. Mendangi don ha ke Cottage Cafe ke badan ha dum nong thamai. Hang ni ngin let ban ma iki jingbam Korean, Thai, but Japanese. What lai long ijaka bam ibaret. Hindray ngos an but so tingin marsemerung ha kani ke jakabam. Ngila that kamet ha ke jingle irung ke chongi shaman kini ki jakabam ba roshisni. Hindray Ngau cha that marsen rung ha kani kedukan. Kini ki bam om tang kilong ki be ibang. Henry kita long shisha ki bam ki ba bang ki ba shnyam. Ki bala shet patan kre da itori. Na lor kini ki bam. Itori ishna hiro ye ki bacon. Ki sausage pat kimchi. Lada pi kwa ben let Kini kedukan bam keplian naduk shipit je no pais ngi haduk kendai peje minmet man kesngi. Lat no ha kesngi blay. Pinom babi. Let ban mat ye ki bam ki ba kampe.
Ti perlu ketung lapoi sa bekut jong kani ka thop jong ka destination Meghalaya kani kesngi. Berkala long shisha ka jiyak lenti ka pasngau tenat. Ha ka bangilayo ban mat ki jing bam ki ba na Korea na Japan bat na Thailand. Ha keling kasni ka sor Shillong na do nong thamai sha renja nang ta sha nong rim hills bat hadu sha siap. Ti nganget kala long ru ka program ka pasngau tenat ye pi ki papet baro te tat haduk ni sempat ha ko we ketup kuble shibon ye pi baro